everybody, welcome back to my... What? It's Wednesday? That's better. Anyways, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys really seem to like my Hamilton themed outlet cover video. Like, really seem to like it. So I'm back with a similar video and a very special announcement at the end, so stick around. Today we're going to be making a Mean Girls themed Broadway outlet cover. Wait, before we get into it, hi, my name's Richelle and I'm a Blossom Theater fan getting to know Broadway. Subscribe during the party.
Also, we are 80 party people strong, so thanks for that.
You also might have noticed it has been quite a while since I posted. Not proud of that, but back and I am ready to provide, just throw it. Now without further ado, let's go. Hi everybody, so for this project we are going to need some paintbrushes, whichever ones that you want, a little bit of water so you can clean your paintbrushes, paint colors that you're going to be using, Mod Podge to give it a nice glossy clear finish, a little paint tray, some paper to draw your stickers, scissors to cut your stickers, some parchment or wax paper, and some optional coloring supplies, writing utensil, drawing utensil, some optional glitter,
and lastly, of course, our outlet covers. So now let's go.
And to start, we're going to get our pink paint. We're going to shake, and yeah, we're just going to start painting. Let's go.
One pair of pants later.
And I'm just going to be going back and forth between the red and the pink and see what color meets in the middle.
A few inches later.
Now this is the perfect color.
And now you see me trying to add black, which it doesn't look that bad right now, but I mess it up later, so we're just gonna ignore that and move on. Painted it back, and now you have a pretty solid color for our burn book. Cookie time. Now I'm just gonna go on Google, search for and download a picture of the burn book so I can trace out the letters and use those for our design. Let's get to tracing.
It's very similar to the real thing, and I'm very proud of that.
Now I'm just gonna color my design with a Sharpie. Voila! Time for cutting. Just look at how beautiful this is. Just look at it. Now time for the stickers! Now we're going to take a piece of parchment paper, lay it down flat, get a long piece of tape. I can't get it off. Okay, I did it. And place it down, making sure there are no air bubbles because we don't want those. We're going to take our design and we're just going to place them on the tape that's on top of the parchment paper. Now we're going to get another piece of tape and that on top of our design. Perfecto.
I go more in depth about making stickers in this video up here.
Now all we gotta do is cut them out. All we gotta do is peel off the back and put it on our outlet cover. And yes, it can be kind of tedious, but you can do it. Oh my gosh. It's stunning. Just look at it. It's so stunning. Now to finish it off, all we gotta do is add a nice layer of Mod Podge. Time for some glitter. Just to add a little bit of spice to this. And then after the glitter, we're just going to add a final layer of Mod Podge to seal the glitter in. And we're done. Just look how amazing this looks. The stickers, the glitter, the color, the resemblance. Come on. So yeah, I really like how that turned out. It looks like thebomb.com. Is that the proper way to use that term? I guess we'll never know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this craft as much as I did because it was very fun. Any more ideas or any more like outlet cover themed things I should do, then by all means let me down in the comments. Now,
For the moment we've been waiting for!
Okay guys, I'm so excited to announce that I now have a Redbubble shop! If you don't know what Redbubble is, it's basically an online platform where you can like upload your own designs and put it on like shirts, stickers, pins, notebooks, all that kind of stuff. My shop name is called ReadyRichell.
Wow, how surprising.
And I have a ton of designs that I think you guys will really all love. Link is in the description below. Remember to like the video if you liked it, and I post every other Thursday, so stay tuned. See you next video!